OnePlus Nord CE4 5G. Let's talk about this mobile in this video. By the way, watch this. This is the statistics. So a lot of you people are watching my videos and I'm thankful for that, but I need a small support from you guys. That is, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that it will gives me a lot of encouragement and support to make more videos like this. So that's the only thing I need to request from you guys. So let's start with this video. This OnePlus Nord CE4 5G mobile comes with a 6.7 inches of full HD plus resolution, HDR10 plus supported, 120 Hz refresh rate display, and it is a Corning Gorilla Glass protected display. When we talk about this mobile's processor, this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 5G octa-core processor. When we talk about 5G, it comes with 7 bands of 5G. This mobile will be available in two variants. Those are Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 along with 8GB RAM 128GB internal storage and 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage. Now these are UFS 3.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR4X RAM types. The only thing, the major important thing in this mobile is that it comes with a hybrid SIM slot. That means you can insert 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card, 1 micro SD card. By the way, you can expand up to 1 terabyte. This is a feature which is missing in a lot of mobiles these days. When we talk about the cameras, this mobile comes with a triple cameras at the back side, 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with the optical image stabilization, 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and a depth sensing camera of 2 megapixels. For the front, it comes with 16 megapixels of front facing typical OnePlus camera. By the way, this mobile comes with a huge battery. Yeah, that is a 5500 milliamperes of huge battery. Now this supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire. I mean super hook charge. Yes. The plus point is that you don't need to buy an extra adapter for this mobile because you will get an adapter included in the box with this mobile, which we are going to talk in a minute. When we talk about this mobile features, like this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 6 dual band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.4, which are the latest features, and NFC. By the way, this mobile doesn't come with any 3.5mm jack. Instead, it comes with a stereo speakers, in-display fingerprint scanner, and everything. This mobile will be available in two colors. Those are celadon green and dark brown. So these are the two colors that this mobile will be available in to purchase in India. By the way, I will also give a link to buy this mobile in the description box down below from Amazon. You can directly buy it from there. By the way, I have made a lot of videos before in my YouTube channel. I will leave a link to watch those videos in the description box down below, as well as here in this iCard section. So you can watch those videos also from there. When we talk about this mobile's box contents, this mobile comes with contents like the mobile CE4 itself and 100 watts of fast charger and a red type C cable and SIM ejector tool and a TPU case and a SIM display protected, which is pre-applied on the mobile, and some quick start guides and red card clubs. So these are the things that you will get in this mobile with the box. So when we talk about the operating system, this mobile comes with a Android version 14 out of the box with the latest Oxygen voice version. So this mobile is a polycarbonate back and frame and front glass. This mobile doesn't come with any IP68 water dust resistant features or any wireless charging or reverse wireless charging features. So these are the things that we need to keep in mind. When we talk about the major thing, there is pricing. Yes, this mobile was priced at different prices. Like this 8GB RAM 128GB version was priced at 24,999 rupees, almost 25,000 rupees. And the 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage variant was priced at 26,999 rupees, almost 27,000 rupees. So these are the price differences between these two mobiles. I think if you are not a hardcore gamer, but then you can choose this mobile, and if you want an Oxygen OS experience. So that's it for the video, and if you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. That's the important. So thanks for watching.